All right, today on the garage we're going to grease the 2021 Caterpillar 279 D3. This will be the second greasing at the 20-hour mark. Greased her last week at 10 hours. Only got used 10 hours this week, but she got used. Let's see. So to start with, first things first, let's find out where all the grease alamites are. Zerks, if you will, depending on your age, and they're going to be listed down here on this chart. This chart is also going to tell you the time for everything. So this is 10 hours at 10 hours, what we're checking and what we're greasing. Grease, grease, grease. Every grease gun has a line that goes to a Zerk or Alamite, however, wherever you're from. Whatever your age is, these are the things we're checking. All right, at 10 hours. At 250, it has some other things we need to check, but you get the gist of it. So, all right, let's see here. Right there. Daily, I'm gonna check the oil in a little bit, but let's get on to greasing.